Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Edivision TV, the channel where we look at sports differently. I'm your host, Eddie Gona. This time something a little bit different. 10 things you might not know about Leon Chippy Bailey. Jamaican and Aston Villa player, on top of his game. But these are just some fun facts about Leon Bailey. Number 1. Leon Bailey's middle name is Patrick. It's not Chippy. Many persons might think it's Chippy, but Chippy is just a nickname. So it's Leon Patrick Bailey Butler. And Butler, because obviously he is the adopted son of agent Craig Butler. Number 2. Speaking about Craig Butler, Leon Bailey's agent Craig Butler was kidnapped in Mexico after trying to strike a deal for Leon Bailey. So years ago, he went down to Mexico, got kidnapped, was missing for a few days, before being reunited with Leon Bailey. So that's another story. Number 3, Leon Bailey is a Nike athlete. So he has a contract right now with Nike, always outfitted in the Nike gear. You see the boots, shirts, whatever. Nike athlete. Number 4, Leon Bailey's son. You would not guess his name. It's Leo Cristiano Bailey. And as you might guess, Leo for Lionel Messi, Cristiano for Cristiano Ronaldo. So his son has the two greatest footballers' name, Leo Cristiano Bailey. Number 5, Leon Bailey has over 200 pairs of sneakers. Yeah, a lot of kicks. And it said that Leon Bailey don't really wear one sneaker twice. He gives away a lot, so he has a lot of friends in Jamaica where, will give back. So as you can see here, a big sneaker fanatic, over 200 pairs. Number 6, Leon Bailey's net worth is about 15 million euros. Not his market value, his net worth, 15 million. Number 7, his girlfriend is an IG model. Her name is Stephanie Hope. Number 8, you'll never guess this, but Leon Bailey wanted to become a sprinter as well. He wanted to become a footballer or a sprinter growing up. And as luck would have it, we'd be friends with the fastest man alive, Usain Bolt. Number 9, Leon Bailey in the record books. He scored the goal of the season in the Europa League in the 2016-2017 season. That goal came against Rapid Vienna when he was with Genk. Number 10, last but not least, UEFA Golden Boy nomination in 2016. Big nomination. Other top players that were nominated that season, the likes of Leroy Sané, Dembele, Dele Alli, Alex Iwobi. It was won though by Renato Sanchez. So there you have it, fans. 10 things that you did not know about Leon Bailey. How many of these did you actually know? Drop the number in the comment section below. I'm Eddie Gona. Thanks for watching. And always remember, like, share, and subscribe.
I'm Vin Blaine, right? I'm pleased to be on Edivision TV, and I hope that you share and subscribe. Good content, good host. Eddie is top when it comes down to hosting. Ask good questions, and don't interrupt you when you're speaking, which is very, very important, right? But still that he has a balance when he asks questions. So do like, subscribe, and ensure that you support Edivision TV.